Ito ng sign mo para kumain ng authentic Korean comfort food. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jangke in Kalayaan Ave, Quezon City. Pagpasok nyo dito sa building, kaliwa lang kayo, then makikita nyo na itong sign nila. Diretso kayo sa dulo, then pasok na. For today, in-order ko yung jampong and jajangmyeon combo nila. Sobrang laki ng servings kaya perfect na perfect for sharing. Itong jajangmyeon, black bean paste yung main sauce niya. Mix well bago kainin. Yung lasa niya, savory, umami, and slightly sweet. It's slightly rich but not bitter at all. Made from scratchy noodles kaya very fresh and chewy siya. Sobrang layo sa instant noodles version ng jajangmyeon na bitter and earthy. Itong jampong ang go-to order ko. Very seafood and vegetable forward and just the right amount of spice. You can request regular spicy or mild. Lasang-lasa mo yung shrimp and squid doon sa broth. Chewy din yung noodles and sobrang sarap. I always order more for takeout at minsan kapag tinatamad ako pumunta, ino-order ko lang siya online. More details at the end of the video. Umorder din pala ako ng mando nila. 8 pieces yan siya and kita mo naman sa wrapper pa lang, sobrang sarap na. You can never go wrong with their mandu or chicken. Perfect pairing for any of their noodles. I used to live around this area in Kalayaan at maraming Koreans ang nagre-rent dito for their English studies. And let me tell you, there are always Korean locals eating at Jangke. You know it's good when even the Koreans are regulars. Wala pala sila sa Grab and Food Panda, but you can message their Facebook page to order and you can get it delivered to you via courier. Save this video na for your next Korean food adventure. Yun lang, happy eating!